The scoring is a scale score. They're using uh, statistics to score your test. There's no way to tell what each question is worth, okay? They take your raw score, which is how many you got correct out of the total. So let's say you got 70 correct out of 90, okay? So let's just do that. 70 divided by 90. So you got about a 78%, right? They throw that into a scale score because some people get different forms of the test. You're not getting the same exact test as somebody else. Everybody gets form A, form B. Someone else gets form C. We're all getting different forms, right? Because of test security. So then they base it on test complexity, item complexity. Some items, especially those where you have to choose more than one, where it says choose all that apply, those are worth more points. So there's no way for me to tell exactly. And I wouldn't focus too much on that. Then you have the constructed response, which is 25% of the overall test. So like you just got a 77% or 78% on 75% of the test. Then you do the writing and you get whatever that is. Now, the writing is scored by 2 scores. So you're going to get an it's out of 18, I believe, because you have 3 questions worth 3 points. That's 9 total times 2 scores. So 18 total. You want to be at, like a 15 out of 18 out of the writing, and you want to be at least a 75 when in practice on your practice tests. A 75 is the safe zone on the multiple choice. You can get less than that. I think like you can pass with a D, but I like to tell people to get that 75 in practice or higher because that puts you at like the safe zone.